Drivin Ivan here. That's right, Drivin Ivan here. Look at this rare color here. This is Katie's coffee, and it's just any March 1st day in 2025. I drove this, my Alpina B7. Here's Bob and his Ferrari. But there's a lot of cool cars here, and I'm going to show them to you. Alpha 4C. Of course, many of these cars I have full driving reviews of, including that Alpha 4C. And some of these exact cars, like this Aston Martin Vantage, V8 Vantage S. And a lot of good stuff out here. Look at this. Excuse me. Ferrari, Morrison. I like the suicide doors. I love that blue and kind of crema piping interior. That is awesome. There's something about white sports cars that just look amazing to me. Just saw a post with a bunch of white sports cars. There's the Nürburgring. Woo. That means this car's been on it. I have a car that's been on it. I drove 2 laps on the ring. Man, was that fun. If you have a chance to go to the Nürburgring, you better get there. Even if you can't drive it, even if you have to get a taxi or do something like that, just do it. It's amazing. It's like a Grand Sport, maybe. Chromed wheel. Look at this one. Got to review a bunch of newer BMWs too, but this is the new beauty, and then next to it we have what I think is the best looking older BMW. I'll show you that in a second. 750i. Ooh, it's bright. 2800 CS, very similar to the 3.0 CS. Look at this beautiful, blue and white is my thing. How beautiful is that? This is called the Hofmeister Kink. Whoop. That's the styling that you see on many BMWs, including the Sharknose M6. This one here. Manual. I have the L6 version of this one. The luxury version, but mine's totally custom, done by some Russian dude. That's worth checking out. Very cool, actually. Let's see what else we got here. Which way should I go today? I actually haven't even been too far down this way today, so I don't even know what I'm going to see. Should be cool, though. Modern 911. Well, not too new. Let's play, is it real or is it not real?
All the lights and also the...
I think it's real. Beautiful Lambo right here. And do I have a cool Lamborghini video? At the factory in 1999 with Valentino Balboni. Doing well, how you doing? Yeah, that's a cool video. He gave me a private tour, Mr. Valentino Balboni. Such a great ambassador for Lamborghini. Once you've met him, you feel like he's your friend, you know? I've had many opportunities to be with him throughout the years, starting in La Bella Macchina d'Italiana at the Poconos, way back in the day. Nice Boxster there. Yada. Oh, that's a friend of mine's Miata. That's a great looking car. He wanted himself a newer sports car, and he got a good one. JDM stuff here today. All types of Porsches, of course. That's a good looking 4x4 Jeep there, lifted. Nice Scooby. Oh, you're good. Beautiful though, look at that. Look at the lift on that. Absolutely awesome. Lotus over there. What do we got up here? Austin Morris. Minor up there. Lotus. Emira, Potato. I'm definitely a Lotus guy myself. I have a Europa that I just got back after a long time, and also an Esprit. Want to know what I drive? Search what does Drivin Ivan drive. Beautiful Jaguar. Look at this thing. Stunning Jaguar. Look at the lines on that thing. Just absolutely awesome. BMW 2002. Yeah. Lotus Elise. Somebody had a sports satellite earlier, kind of like this Charger. That was pretty cool. With a 383. I actually have a video that I'll probably post it at some point in my short videos. Cadillac Fleetwood. Very comfortable cars. Little Mini right there. A lot of people rolling together. These guys are all friends. That's nice to see. Everybody hanging out at Cars and Coffee. Coming together to celebrate these great cars. Look at that one. MGA here, having a little starting difficulty. Beautiful convertible Bentley. It's I think it's going to be about 50 something degrees today. So when you have a nice car like this one with really good basically windshield and windows that fit really tight, it's fine for a convertible. But the windows in my Alpina B7, they fit so tight. They're just so thick. I think, you know, some of them had like bulletproof packages, and mine feels like it is. I'm not sure if it is. Wow, look at that thing is towed out. Totally towed out. Scion FRS. Look at that Lamborghini Urus. Tomato. But I actually went to Red Rocks Raceway in Vegas to review the Scion FRS when it came out. But since then, I've reviewed many of them. So check it out. Even the Subaru BRZ, the beast. Wow, big old BBS wheels. I'm usually not a fan of BBS, but this one, I think it looks pretty good. What do you guys think? Look at that. I recently reviewed the i8 along with the Z8 and the Z1. In fact, I compared the Z1 to the Z3 and the Z4. That's a cool video. And I reviewed the 2016 only Roadster version of that one, convertible. How could I miss the Maserati here? I own a Maserati Spider. Such a big Maserati fan. I think it's you know, more history than Ferrari. The sign of Neptune there, that comes from a statue down in Bologna, Italy. One of the Maserati brothers was a graphic designer, and he came up with that. So about 26 more years of racing history than Ferrari, believe it or not. So that's worth some credibility, right? I think so. Wow. BBS wheels are everywhere today. Are these BBS? No, they're not, but they look a little bit like it. This is a good looking 997 here. Nice. I'm just finishing editing my road trip in my 996, and I drove it to Florida and back. So look for that one out soon. A lot of cars here today. I'll head you back over towards the front. Galendo wagon here. This one's all blacked out. Dull paint job, looking good. This is pretty cool. Awesome 3-speed. I like to give you all the cars and all the dogs. All the cars, all the dogs. This Jag is so beautiful. Look at that. Woo. Beautiful bikes out here. A lot of stuff out here today. The wind is picking up. Look at that old Honda Prelude here. Wow. This one's still got the Christmas wreath on it. How long do you keep your Christmas wreath on your car? Morris. Showed you that one from afar. Figure I may as well give you the close-up. Pretty cool, huh? Reminds me of my Crosley CC that I had. Check out the review on that one. It was kind of a woody. There goes that shark nose. I'll show you the shark nose. Well, you can't really see it from here. Watch my review of the my Alpina V6. I mean my 635 CSI. The Alpina's a V7. Nice looking Porsches. I think they call this French blue. And look at the beautiful houndstooth interior on this one. Wow, is that beautiful? So nice.
Yeah, it was like 45 grand deposit, and then I give
4.0. Wow.
Yeah.
GT3.
Yeah, so it worked out.
More BMWs. Huh. Wow, it is bright today. Nice looking Volkswagen. Oh, look at that. XK, maybe 140. Comes a Lambo. That's the right color for it, right? I think so. The glare on the screen is incredible. Look at that beauty. Really nice looking car down there. XK, I think it's a 140. I'm sure viewers will let me know. Shelby, Audi. Take you all the way down here. Man, is that beautiful. 2800 CS. Really just the only difference is the engine from the 3.0 CS. Absolutely stunning cars. Sheepskins were really common. My Lancia Zagato that I had back in the day had sheepskins on it. GA again. Porsche Spider. Oh, this is nice. D Tommaso Pantera. I have a really cool story on the Pantera as it relates to Tim Horton. They're basically the Dunkin' Donuts of Canada. So search Drivin Ivan and D Tommaso Pantera or Tim Horton, and you'll see me weave a very cool tale. Also, watch my footage of the vault, the Peterson Vault in LA, that museum. I show you the whole museum, but I also show you the vault. And there's a very famous Pantera owned by the king of rock and roll. That's right, Elvis Presley. That's a good video. Check it out. This is super cool. Fiat Abarth 124 Spider. How do you like it, sir?
I love it. I absolutely love it.
Yeah, man. Awesome. Drivin Ivan loves Fiats. You're live on my channel. Well, not really live, but you will be on YouTube.
I watch your channel.
Cool. Thanks, man. This is awesome, dude. Fiat Abarth 124. Can we hear that exhaust? Can we hear that Carlo Abarth exhaust? Yeah. Carlo Abarth modified Fiats back in the 60s, and I have a hilarious video. I don't know if you've seen it. I think it might be a short, or maybe it's not. I was in Italy, and they had the 500e out, and they had the Scorpion Abarth edition.
Really?
And I was cranking on the, it's electric, but I was mashing on the throttle. It emits an Abarth tone. It's hilarious. Check that out.
That's crazy.
That's a really cool car. So has it been reliable? How long have you had it? What's the deal?
I've had it for about 2.5 years now. It's been absolutely great to me. It hasn't had any issues.
Wow.
And I love it.
So it's Miata reliable.
Yes.
But, you know, people don't know. In fact, I had a friend of mine, a car guy friend of me, was asking me about it. He asked me about it. I drove my Alpina B7 today, BMW, and we were talking, and he's like, "Oh, you got to see this. What is this thing?" And I walked down here with him. I was like, "Oh, that's a Fiat 124 Abarth, you know." And he was like, "Oh, cool," you know. So it's got a rareness about it. It's got a mystique, you know. And that's cool, man. We'll use it in good health. I love it. Love the stickers. Don't roll out too fast because the cops are up there, but I want to hear it. I want to hear it. Is that your buddy? Subaru BRZ. Drivin Ivan's reviewed this. Have you watched the video? Look at that shifter. That's not stock.
No.
Are you doing a little drifting in this, young man?
Who's asking?
The police.
No.
When I say the police, I mean Sting, Andy Summers, and Stuart Copeland. All right, let's hear that Abarth. You want to hear a good engine? Here it comes. It's like a Miata on steroids. The Fiat Abarth. Let's hear it a little bit.
My new little workstation, Bob. I just got started.
You hear that, Bob? Listen to that exhaust. Not even paying attention, Bob. Man, he's in his own world, I tell you. All right. He doesn't care about it unless it's a Ferrari or an old Corvette. He's got some very clean, well, that's his Ferrari, you saw it. He's got a very nice, I believe it's a 67 yellow. I'd call it primrose yellow if I was English. Beautiful car. And there you go, another fine day here at Katie's Coffee in Great Falls, Virginia. I'll show you head with a couple rare birds. This is a factory V8 MGB GT with the rare factory 8-cylinder engine. How you doing, young man?
When are you going to come drive this thing?
Today. Now. You got about 20 minutes?
20 minutes?
15?
What time is it?
I think you do. Let me wrap this video and we'll talk. There you have it. This thing is a beast. 1983 UR Quattro, and I have reviewed this exact car. He's selling it. I'll do him a little favor, put it on there. There's your information. It's amazing. Watch my full driving review of this car. Absolutely amazing. Search Drivin Ivan at any car. Thanks for watching here at Katie's Coffee with a beautiful MGB GT V8. I am Drivin Ivan.